Today we're going to do some computer art with Ollivander. It's a love letter. You'll see. Welcome to JiffyWiz! My name is Andy Sharp. If you're new to this channel, we do Harry Potter DIY. We build props, we unbox loot, we talk about wizarding news, and sometimes we do wizarding art, and that's what we're doing today. If you haven't already, think about subscribing to this channel if you like the content. Hit that little bell if you want to be reminded of when I post new videos. I post new videos every single Monday. So today we're going to do something I call paper art. We're going to use Ollivander to demonstrate it, but first I'm going to show you a little bit of the concepts and then I'll roll through what I did with Ollivander. I created a love letter. It's gonna make sense in the end. It's kind of hard to explain without seeing it, so let's go to the computer. All right, let's get started. Now we're on the computer. Open Photoshop. Before we get started with Ollivander, I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial with this pumpkin here. The first thing you need is a paper layer, or any texture layer for that matter, if you wanna use stone or fabric. So the first thing you do is cut out the paper shape from the pumpkin. I've already done that here. And then the next thing you do is actually change the hue saturation, and you can do that by going to Image, Adjust Hue Saturation, or you can just press Control U. And I'm going to change this to an orange color. Alright, so the next step is actually the same step that you do for the entire process. You use the Polygonal Lasso tool up here, and you select the lines, the major highlights, the major shadows, the different colors, and then you use that same Image, Adjust Hue Saturation tool to adjust the different features of it. So I use the Polygonal Lasso tool because it has sharp edges and it kind of makes it look a little bit more like it's cut out of paper. So I'm going to do a couple real quick here to show you what I mean. So you cut out those shapes, go back to your original paper layer, press Control U, and then change the saturation or lightness depending on what you're trying to do. Let's do a couple more. I'm going to do this line right here. I also don't worry about getting too perfect with it unless you're trying to really replicate an exact picture. You're just kind of getting an impression rather than an exact replica. Control U, change the saturation and the lightness to your liking. And let's do one more. Let's do the stem is green. Control U. So you just repeat this process over and over again until you get to a artistic replica, and I've already done it for the pumpkin. Here is the final product. So you can see I just kind of took the major highlights, shadows, colors into a artistic version of the pumpkin. So today we're going to do Ollivander with the same process, except it took 3 hours. I'm going to speed up the film so it only takes 4 minutes. So here we go. And that is the Ollivander paper love letter. See, it makes sense, right? If I was the wand, I'd choose you. The wand chooses the wizard. You get it, right? If not, leave a comment in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to print out this card, give it away for Valentine's Day, or just any occasion to tell somebody you love them, it is available down in the description below. Also check out, I have subscriber promotion down there below, so check that out. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.